Guys, it's at Durban. It's at Durban and we're having our first coffee of the day. We're here to open the vlog. Vasile Sibahle. But no round one, no round two years. Let me show you the view. The views are viewing. Preparing for our day is hot as in like that.
Gonna have makeup, straightening the hair. Also see aroke enkai.
Oh!
Sibe bahle sibe nje ya.
Abantu bazathi akwaba bese kukwaba la. Impumlo injani? But makeup is that it does impumlo. Anampumlo mazine. I don't know ukwenzeka ntoni. But anathi khazo review asesona ntuzazini wela. Lenze njani? Abanye relax. Yes, Daddy. Shaka nina na babin. Ikala ba? 34. Game. Yo, multiples of 7. Tisha la lead.
Yes.
It's not a criticism, it is feedback. Umoya kule ikole 8 ukuthi engathi yenza laba ngathi bayakhanya kazana ngelanga. Umehluko phakathi kwazo nezethu isikhathi esiningi bayiqonda.
Amen. No.
Umehluko between leziya ikole leziya nezethu isikhathi esiningi kuba yiqonda. So
we're having lunch now. I don't know what they're having. I just don't know. What I know is that I'm having pork, pumpkin, and these vegetables. And then this is my dessert. Una is also having sushi. I don't know what others are having, but it's lunchtime. This is our makeup artist. The formal function. We are here to take pictures. We took pictures, we went to see the pool. I'm not happy with the pool. it's not clean and sekukho abantu and aba bantu bapha banxibile, so we can't go there tonight, eh? So sizolungisa. We are preparing to go to siya kwa Max Emlas. We're just gonna refresh. Emveni koko sihambe. Guys, can you see uba sonwabe kanjani? Sonwabile Durban, I don't want to lie. Sonwabile and sibahle. Off for dinner. Siyahamba. I don't know Siyabi, but I just know Siyotya class.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
She's at denim SA and I don't have size. I don't have sizes. So it's like a big colleague that is size 32. Outfit of the day. There are drinks all over. Unfortunately, me and my friend are size. This one has size.